Good morning. Carnivore day 24, and I've already got the griddle out. I'm gonna make some buttermilk pancakes for the boys using that buttermilk from making butter yesterday. Got steaks and some eggs on the menu for us this morning. So we got lots of rain today. We are going to stay warm and slept a whole lot better last night. So that was great. Didn't move, I don't think. So I don't know. I think that my problem the night before last is the cat got left outside. She woke me up scratching on the door about 12 in the morning, and then it took me forever to go back to sleep. So I think that was the reason the night before that, but it's a whole lot better last night. And it's supposed to get a lot of rain today, so we're just going to hunker down in the house and chill out. We don't have anywhere to go, and we're just going to rest. The boys have got a small cold, and we're just gonna take it easy. So let's get some food in our bellies.
He's gonna have to use all of it.
No, he's not.
Can I do one low?
Pretty. I did hear you. It's not raining.
There. Put this one.
Yeah, got bubbles in it.
There's nice and flip.
For tonight, we're gonna make some tuna patties using some mozzarella, butter, eggs, and panko crust. And I feel like crap. Kylie feels like crap too. It's just one of them days. Drain the water out of the tuna. Got to mix it in the bowl. Now about to put the panko crumbs.
You can ask him.
Oh! A blew up.
Oh, you gotta try it.
Can I try one?
Yeah. It's really good. Very good.
That's Mom.
It's the morning of day 25, and I'm going to talk about yesterday, which was day 24, Wednesday. And it was my roughest day thus far. Kylie's pretty rough yesterday as well. We both just low energy, dragging. Tuesday, I started getting a headache. It was very light. And then Wednesday, it amplified, pounded in my temple, very low energy, just dragging, didn't want to do anything. Had to fight to make it through work. And then when I got off work, I went and took a nap for like 2 hours or so. Just laid in bed pretty much all day yesterday, like evening. And just didn't want to do anything. I drank 2 electrolytes, one in the morning and one around midday. And then I tried to increase my salts. But yeah, rough. As of right now, I have no headache and I'm feeling a lot better. So just last one day. Oh yeah, and my digestive system yesterday was kind of, yeah, I had to constantly go. So that was that. Did figure this out. We ate rabbit the night before, and I was very hungry, more than usual, for breakfast yesterday morning. I get up at 5:30. We usually eat breakfast around 8 or 9, a heavy breakfast, and we eat a heavy supper. But usually don't get hungry till about 8 or 9, 10. But as soon as I got up, I was hungry. And then the week before that, we ate rabbit. And same thing. So rabbit's leaner, and so it doesn't stick on your bones a lot longer, I reckon. So I need to eat more fatty stuff. Did determine that. The rabbit's good though. Really like it. I even ate 2 rabbit burgers, and I was hungry the next morning. So, and I ate till I was full. So yeah. So determined that.